Real-world applications of CCNP skills. We will explore the real-world applications of CCNP skills and how they can benefit you in the ever-revolving IT industry. What are CCNP skills? CCNP skills refer to the advanced networking knowledge and expertise required to design, implement, maintain, and troubleshoot complex network solutions. This certification demonstrates your ability to work with a wide range of networking technologies, including routing and switching, network security, and network optimization. Real-world applications. Network configuration. CCNP professionals have the skills to configure and optimize network devices to ensure optimal performance and security. Troubleshooting. With CCNP skills, you can quickly identify and resolve network issues, minimizing downtime and ensuring business continuity. Advanced networking. CCNP certification equips you with the knowledge to design and implement advanced network solutions that meet the unique requirements of businesses. Network security. In today's cyber threat landscape, network security is of utmost importance. CCNP professionals can implement robust security measures to protect sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access. Network optimization. CCNP skills enable you to optimize network performance, scalability, and reliability to meet the growing demands of modern businesses. Conclusion. In conclusion, CCNP skills are highly valuable in today's IT industry, where efficient and secure networking is crucial for businesses to thrive.